Cheese oozing, steam still rolling. That's a winning hand right there.
Welcome, kings, queens, and jokers. Let's jump right into another episode of Jeremy's 12 Days of Keto Christmas.
Cayenne brings the heat without going all in. De-seed it if you want to control the pod. Every slice adds strategy to the flavor. This keeps the spice clean, not aggressive. You're playing pot control here, not chaos. This is the heart of the jalapeno popper. Fresh peppers, no bluffing here. The heat builds, but we're in control. Make every slice count, like a strategic hand. Don't give the table an easy read. A fine dice spreads the heat evenly. You want every bite dealt fair. No bad hands in this pod. Consistency wins every round. Slice each piece the same. It keeps the flavor balanced. Careful with the knife. Precision counts at the table. Take your time. Rushing leads to a busted hand. This is the foundation for a perfect popper play. Pan hot. Let's play. Looks like too much. Trust the play. It cooks down fast every time. Watch it shrink. It's all coming together. Don't worry, that stack will shrink to perfection. Every fold matters. Let it wilt naturally, no forcing the move. And just like that, the flop comes out in our favor. Garlic goes in last, no burning. That's how you protect your stack. Timing is key. Don't rush all in. Chop fine so every bite counts. Adds flavor without stealing the spotlight. This is a finishing move, not your opener. Cream cheese is the base. This is where the popper starts. Peppers go in. Now we raise with cheddar. This should already taste like a jalapeno popper. If it doesn't, adjust your play. Shuffle until it looks and smells perfect. Fold in everything evenly. Make sure the flavors all see the table. Even thickness wins every time. Plastic wrap saves the mallet. Keep pressure consistent. Every inch matters. Edge to edge, no gaps. Commit to the spread. Don't skimp, make it a full house. Every inch covered, no weak spots. Every layer should show up when it's sliced. Roll it tight. Structure matters here. No leaks at the table. That's a solid hand. The herb crust locks everything in. This hand needs structure. Make sure it holds. The flavor is stacked. Tie it up before you play it. Tie it clean. You want this hand ready for the next round. Into the air fryer. Now, we wait. That's a straight to the nuts. Perfectly cooked all the way through. Look at that center. Alright, catch you next time on Chop It Like It's Hot with Judd.
Now that's a full house of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Now smash that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share.